Guys, welcome back to part 2 of the Honda Prelude build. In today's video, we're going to try getting it running. Last video, we tuned the car up, but it's already covered in pollen because pollen season in Georgia. But we got the interior cleaned up last video, but in this video, I purchased the ECM and the automatic transmission control unit right here. So let's get it put in and see if the car will run. Alright guys, so let's pop these panels off and get the carpet picked up. Alright guys, we got that done. Let's get the ECM and AT control unit installed. Alright guys, so I got the ECU and automatic transmission control unit hooked up, so now let's get a jump box hooked up to the car and see if it would start. Alright guys, let's pop the hood, hook up the jump box, check the oil and coolant and see if it will start. Alright guys, so the ECM was one of the problems, but the immobilizer unit is locked because the ECM is not from the same immobilizer. Apparently they all work together, the ignition switch, the immobilizer, and also the ECM, but I went and bought this immobilizer and this ignition switch from the same guy that owned the ECM from the same car. So let's get this put in. I already got everything taken apart, so let's get this put in and see if it'll start. Alright guys, so now let's get this ignition switch and immobilizer plugged in and see if it'll start. Alright guys, there we go. Now let's get the jump box hooked up and see if it'll turn over and start. Alright guys, let's pop the hood and hook up the jump box. good. Alright guys, so there we go. It's running really smooth. No ticking or anything. Check that out. No ticking or anything. It's running really good. No check engine light or anything. Just door lights are on and brake lights. So let's see if it'll go into gear real quick. Yes sir. Put it into reverse. There we go guys. It's moving. Check that out. Let's get all this put together, all the plastics put on under the dash. Put everything together right there and maybe do an oil change real quick and take it for a test drive. Alright guys, so I'm going to start by putting this ECM and automatic transmission control module on this plate and under the carpet. There we go. I'm gonna get it bolted in off camera and then we could get to the ignition switch. Alright guys, so I got that metal plate bolted in. Now let's get all the carpet put on and all the plastics around it. Now we should be... Alright guys, there we go. Now that looks nice, so let's get to the driver's side and clean that side up. Alright guys, so let's get everything bolted up and put back together so that we could take it for a test drive. Alright guys, so now I'm going to clean everything up under the dash. And then start it up, let it warm up, and then take it for a ride. Alright guys, there we go. Now let's go give it a cold start because it's ready cold because I haven't started in about an hour. So let's go let it start. Alright guys, got the battery hooked up, let's give it a cold start. Alright guys, it runs really good. Let's take it for a quick spin. Alright guys, so I topped off the oil just now. I'm not going to do an oil change on it, but I topped it off. This air box was cracked, so I put one off a parts car on there. But all the fluids are topped off, so let's take it for a nice test spin. I was going to earlier, but for some reason it kept dying, but I guess because it's been sitting for a while. So now it's running good. I let it warm up, cool down, warm up a couple times. So let's close the hood and take it for a test drive. All right guys, let's start her up. There we go. It's already warmed up. It's idling pretty good. Only 30 miles per hour, but not bad. I don't think VTEC got to kick in really good. It just kicked in right when I was about to stop. So there we go. It rips pretty good. Gotta take it on the main road soon. See how fast it'll go on the main road. Alright guys, let's take it for a quick rip. See how fast it'll go. Alright guys, I'm in the car right now, but we're gonna end off the video there. We finished it. It's missing a radio and a spare tire, but I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna sell it and let the next owner decide if what kind of radio they want to put in it, and let them buy a spare tire for it. But it's all put together. It's pretty clean, and that's gonna end it off for the video. I'm probably gonna post it up for sale. But if y'all enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all stay tuned for future builds. Probably gonna have another car build here soon, and probably some dirt bike builds, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to subscribe, because y'all are gonna miss out on a lot. I could see 95% of the people that watch my videos don't subscribe, so make sure all y'all subscribe. But thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed, and see y'all next time.